What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is StettyCo here, and today we are preparing for a flight and a road trip to Arizona and to Los Angeles, California. Today I'm finishing up my packing, and I'm just packing up a few little things that I want to bring on the flight with me, because we do plan on doing some things like hiking and just traveling around the city. So I went to Target and I bought a few different things, like all kinds of stuff that's just gonna help me out on the trip. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I bought and how I'm preparing for the trip.
So I've done a lot of preparation for this trip. I bought a few things that I know I'm gonna need. Of course, I got a pack of masks, bug spray and sunscreen, because we plan to go hiking. Hopefully that goes good. Benadryl and Neosporin in case somebody gets hurt, because we're clumsy as fuck. Band-aids, because safety first. Hella hand sanitizer. More hand sanitizer. Eye drops. And some wipes to keep your butt clean.
So I got a few of my outfit on the bed right now that I have laid out. I'm just gonna take a small suitcase and a backpack. So my flight is leaving in about 17 hours. I'm just gonna pack up all this stuff real quick. Probably gonna cut my hair again. And I just might load the stuff into my car so I'm ready. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun trip. I'm obviously excited. So it is about 2:30 in the afternoon right now, so hopefully I'll be finished packing later on today. It wouldn't really be me if I did not bring my whole bathroom, entire everything with me on this trip. So we are about to pack my toiletries, and I didn't even realize like how much stuff I actually use until I had to like put it in a bag, like and in like smaller containers and stuff. So I have a lot of stuff. This is like pretty much everything I use on the daily. I have it separated. So this is like all my hair care stuff. And then I have my skincare stuff. So it's gracious, I do a lot. And then of course the essentials. And it's all gonna fit in this B bag. So
I love this bag, by the way. I bought it at a thrift store. So here we go.
So I'm actually on my way to Target. I'm gonna go pick up another thing of bug spray and maybe some more hand sanitizer, and also some peach rings for the flight and for the road trip, because I want a little candy. All right, are you gonna get over? Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up just a few more little things. Hopefully this is my last trip out. Hopefully I don't forget anything else. But yeah, I really don't want that bug spray to get denied at TSA, and I don't want that hand sanitizer spray to get denied also. I paid good money for that stuff, and I do not want it to go to waste, and I will not be throwing it away. So I'm just gonna go get something else, and hopefully it works. Yeah, and hopefully I don't forget anything else. I really think I have everything. I made like a major checklist. I always make a checklist when I'm traveling, so I'm just gonna pick up, hopefully I just pick up 3 things: hand sanitizer, peach rings or some kind of candy, and some bug spray. Yeah. Made it out of Target, and I also went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some candy or whatever just for the road. So now I'm at the gas station. I'm about to fill up my car, and I think I might just get a car wash. So this is me being impulsive. I'm always doing something like this, but my car needs a little wash and I need to vacuum it out. So I'm gonna pump this gas and I might just get a car wash. I don't know yet. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Car wash is literally right here. Dollar Tree is literally right there. So I don't know, I might just get the car wash. Even though I only left the house for one reason, but I'm always doing something impulsive. I just don't get it. But you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna get the car wash because I might as well, right? I'm not doing all this extra stuff though. I'm gonna give me a little basic little car wash. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we do today, y'all. What's the damage? But hopefully this will be my last stop for today. Cause I got the candy, I got some bug spray, and now I'm just getting my car washed and gonna vacuum out the inside. So hopefully this will be the last stop for today, and I can go home, finish packing, get something to eat because I haven't ate today either. So hopefully this will be the last thing I do. Yeah, feels good out here though. Yeah, you know the vibes. Get you a mask that go with your outfit. Black. I love a black mask. All right, light. There we go. I'm smiling if you can't tell. Of course this side is clean because no one ever rides in the car with me, but I'm gonna spray some of my favorite stuff. I always like to spray it like on the carpet so it sticks in the car. So if you don't got some of this in your car, you ain't doing it right, because let me tell you something. It's gonna have your car smelling right. Ain't nothing like a fresh car wash. I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating, y'all. I'm actually sweating. All right. Hold up. We're going home. Yay. I want to say something funny. Like, y'all won't guess how many pairs of shades I have in my car. Like, I got my everydays. Like, I'll wear these. And I have another compartment right here. Keep a pair there too. Y'all ain't see nothing yet. Y'all ain't see nothing. Okay. Of course I got some masks, some napkins, and some straws, and a little parking pass. But goodness gracious. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm crazy. I got a wine opener because you never know when you're gonna need it. Another one. Oh, I'm gonna take those on the trip with me. Got these. Those are cute. These. What else? And I got these. I don't really wear these though. I'm gonna get rid of those. And is there one more? What is this? Oh, and a half. Is that not crazy? I have a problem. But I'm gonna take these on the trip with me. Definitely those. And these are coming too. I might take these. Yeah. So I'll use these another day. Ooh, these could come. Those might come too. It's really the wine opener for me. It's really the wine opener. Like,
3 beautiful young ladies stand before me, but I only have one photo in my hands.
y'all, Tyra did a double elimination. The first time ever in top model history, Tyra did a double elimination. She is sending 2 girls home, and not 1, 2 girls out of 4. This is juicy. Woo, y'all, I done got caught up. So I had to, what did I do? I got home from the car wash, the gas station, all that stuff, and then I came home to eat. I ate some spaghetti. It was really good. And then I had started doing something else. I had sat down, just watched TV, just collected myself because I've been running. Felt like I've been running all day. So I sat down, watched TV, did all that. And then, what happened? Oh, I cut my dad's hair because my dad needed his haircut for something he's doing while I was gonna be gone. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and cut your hair. So I cut my dad's hair, and then I just now finished cutting my hair. So of course I had to have a fresh cut for the trip. So I just finished cutting my hair, getting to it. You see them three parts and 3 slits? That is me, like, period. That is me, signature. Baby, like, that's all me. Like, this haircut looks really good, and I had panicked a little bit because I had low-key messed up on my haircut, but I fixed it. I fixed it. So we are back in action, baby. What time is it? It is going on, goodness gracious, it is going on 9:30. My suitcase is still not packed. It is going on 9:30. My suitcase is still not packed, but we have made progress. So my hair is cut, my clothes are already picked out. All I have to do is just load the suitcase. Load the suitcase and just chill. Like, load the suitcase, and I'm pretty sure that's all I gotta do. I'm gonna put on a do-rag, wrap my hair, make it look real cute. But yeah, this was the biggest thing I had to do, just cut my hair. But all my outfits are already laid out. Everything's good. Got the reservations and stuff printed out. Parking is paid for. Yeah. Woo. Back in action, baby. That's me. That is me all day. I'm obviously getting excited because the trip is getting closer and closer and closer and closer. Oh my gosh. So, all right. Let me hop off this camera, clean up the bathroom because there's hair everywhere, put up my clippers and stuff, and gonna pack the suitcase. So, all right, y'all. See y'all in the view. All right, I am back. Things keep happening, y'all. Okay, it is 11:01. All right, camera. We can't be doing this. Going to Nah. It is 11:01. I'm about to load the suitcase, but I just thought of one more clothing item I think I want to put together. But like I was saying, all of the clothing is on the bed. The outfits are organized as follows. You know, shorts, underwear, socks, tank tops, shirts, shorts. This is all outfits. I got socks and all that stuff. Even down to the outfit I'm gonna be wearing to the airport. Like, I'm gonna put this on down to the socks, baby, down to the socks. I have all my accessories laid out. I'm probably gonna wear some of those to the airport. I gotta take a do-rag. I'm probably gonna put this on. Got my do-rag, all that good stuff. I have the reservation stuff printed out. Everything is good, you feel me? So I'm about to load the suitcase. I'm about to load the suitcase, bitch. I need to water my plants. I have 2 up here. I have a little cactus. Okay, don't look at all this other random stuff up here. Got a little cactus and my aloe vera, but this, oh yeah, I gotta water those before I go. It is going on 11:54 right now. About to be 11:55 basically, so it's almost 12, it's almost midnight. So that means that it is almost Friday, and that means it is almost time to leave for my trip. So that is super exciting to me. I pretty much finished packing. I'll show you guys that in a second. I've just been doing little things. I don't know if y'all remember those shades that I had in the car, and I had showed you like the little part that had came off. So I just fixed those because I will be wearing these shades on the trip because I'm a shady nigga and that's just what I do. So these will be worn along with about 13 other pairs because I had an eyeglass repair kit because I'm prepared. Like, come on, don't play with me. Anyways, just a few little last minute items I'm packing. I am taking my planning notebook and my little journal just to do some writing. I have some pens in my book bag. I'll be taking a book and my laptop just in case, because I'm always like ready to work on something. So that's pretty much it. These will be the last things that go in my backpack right here. And charging everything up. Like I have a portable charger charging right now. AirPods are charging. Is it 12 yet? No, it's not 12 yet. Got 3 minutes until it's 12. And I don't know what I'm about to do with my life. I don't know. I don't know if I should sleep, because I do have 2 flights. The first one is to Dallas. The second one is from Dallas to Arizona. And then we're road tripping. So I'm probably going to be tired as hell. But I don't know. I might try to take a nap, but I'm really not good at naps at all. Like, I don't nap. I'm a night owl. Yeah, let me show y'all the luggage.
My handy dandy suitcase, packed and ready, and also my backpack.
And I have a little parking slip that I paid for, and my outfit that I'm gonna put on in a few. And yeah, that's it. Like, let's sit this way. So I don't know what I'm about to do with the rest of my night. We will see how that goes. I think I'm finally done. So, and I need to figure out, I might eat some breakfast or something in the morning. Go to Bojangles or something. Because I will not be eating no McDonald's. No ma'am. Yeah, hopefully Bojangles is open and I could get some of that. But I'm about to just take a shower and then lay down. I'm going to try to take a little nap. Get up around 4 a.m. or so, and then I will be on my way. So this is concluding the end of packing day. Like, I'm so excited. I've been needing, y'all don't understand, I have been needing a trip in my life. I haven't been anywhere. I've been like to Winston, but I haven't left the state since like March, literally. So this is big for me. This is just gonna be so refreshing, just so necessary. And it's right before I start my fall semester, which will be my second semester for grad school. So this is kind of just to cap off my summer and just end it on a good note. So, you know, I'm just speaking so many positive intentions into this trip. Just a lot of good stuff, good vibes, just a nice fun time. Because after this, you know, gotta buckle down for school. So it's gonna be that for that. So I'm gonna take this shower, pack up the rest of this stuff, and then I'll be on my way. All right, go. Peace.